Losing an earring back can be so annoying, especially when it's a pair of earrings that you absolutely love. Well, do not fret. I have here a set, and you can order these. They have them on Amazon. A set of earring backs. These are acrylic, and that way you don't have to worry about allergies. Some people have allergies to different metals or to gold or to silver. Here I have acrylic backs. They come in different sizes. I use this in my wardrobe kit. You can definitely use this at home. Oh, it opens individually. And if you're really a fan of the flat back, here it is right here. Can you see? This is a great little set. I don't know if you can see it. It has 6 different sizes in it. We're going to try it on a pair of my favorite earrings. And voila, it fits nice and snug. So, it's not a lost cause. You can save all those beautiful earrings that you absolutely love. Go ahead, get yourself, you know what? I will try to link, I will put the link in my post or my bio. But there are replacements, backs, acrylic, and they come in different sizes. All right, it's not a lost cause. You get to wear your lovely earrings.